Dear students, let's start with ratio and proportion. In last lecture, we have seen some of the basic things regarding ratio and proportion. What is antecedent, what is consequent, all that thing. Let's move ahead. See, uh, one important point. Suppose if antecedent is greater than consequent. Okay, so suppose this is the case. If antecedent is greater than consequent, then the ratio is said to be the ratio of greater inequality. Okay, so this you have to remember. Suppose antecedent is greater than consequent, we know that a is to b, this is the ratio, or suppose it may be expressed in the form of a is to b. So we know antecedent is a and consequent is b. So if this is the case, antecedent is greater than consequent, then ratio is said to be the ratio of greater inequality. Okay, same way, if antecedent is less than consequent, okay, so reverse case, then this ratio is said to be ratio of lesser, here it is greater, here it is lesser inequality, right? And third case, if both are equal, okay, if antecedent is equal to consequent, then it is known as ratio of equality. Okay, so this thing, these terms you have to remember. Now suppose if the numbers, suppose a, b, x are positive numbers, okay, and if a is greater than b, then remember one thing. Suppose I am adding x on both the side, numerator as well as denominator, a plus x and b plus x, so it will always be less than a by b. This is common sense. Okay, then reverse case, suppose a less than b, this also you have to remember, a plus x, here a plus x divided by b plus x, then it will greater than a by b. Suppose a is greater than b, but I am subtracting a minus x and b minus x. I am subtracting x from both numerator and denominator. So then in this case it will be a minus x upon b minus x, it will be greater than a by b. And last case is a less than b, and I am subtracting x from both the sides, numerator as well as denominator, then it will be less than a by b. So these relations you have to remember. Actually it is very obvious, no need to mug up, but still you can keep in your mind. Okay, next thing which I want to just, I am writing down. If we are having a ratio like this in the form of a by p is equal to b by q is equal to c by r is equal to continuous, okay, I can write d by s, okay, like this it is going continuously, then just see the numerator. A is to B is to C is to D is equal to P is to Q is to R is to S continuous. Okay, so this thing we can apply in many of the questions they are asking. Okay, now some of the rules which we should know while applying the ratio and proportion concepts. Okay, suppose if two ratios A by B and C by D, if these are equal, okay, equal means A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, we know that A by two ratios can be equal by if we multiply or divide by same number on both the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so if this is the case, of course we know that we can cross multiply AD is equal to BC. But now some of the more important formulas which you should know, which first is, it is called invertendo. Invertendo, what does it mean? Whenever we are having such type of relationship A by B is equal to C by D, invertendo means we have to just take the inverse. Okay, so here it will be B by A is equal to D by C. Okay, means suppose A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. Okay, then B is to A will be 1 is to 3. Simple. Okay, so that is invertendo. Okay, just we have to reverse, we have to take upside denominator on numerator and numerator will be denominator. Second thing is alternando. Here also the condition is same, A by B is equal to C by D. So what does alternando say? Just you have to take the numerator on one side, so it will be A by C is equal to B by D. Okay, you can check by taking any of the numbers. Okay, so suppose 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 12. Suppose I am taking these two are same, 1 by 3, 4 by 12, 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, so I can apply alternando. 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 12, because 1 by 4 is equal to 3 ones are 3 fours are, so it is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so this is some of the applications. They will not ask direct question from this, but this application you should know. Third one is componendo. Componendo, what do you mean by componendo? See, again the condition remains same, A by B is equal to C by D, so both the ratios are equal. So in this case, A plus B divided by B is equal to C plus D divided by D. Okay, so again I can take same example. 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 12. Okay, so what is A plus B? So it will be 1 plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 4 plus 12 divided by 12. So it is 4 by 3. LHS is 4 by 3. Here it is 16 by 12. 4 4s are 4 3s are. So 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, I am taking these values. You can take any values. Okay, you can even take 2 by 5. okay, is equal to 6 by 15. You can try by this. Take the value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6 and D is equal to 15. You can take this and work out. So the answer will remain same. So this is the application of componendo. Now next is dividendo. Dividendo, what do you mean by dividendo? A by B is equal to C by D. So in this case, see in componendo we are, you can see here in componendo we were adding A plus B divided by B is equal to C plus D divided by D. This is componendo. But in dividendo we will be subtracting. So let me write here. So it will be A minus B divided by B is equal to C minus D divided by D. Okay, and last is componendo dividendo. Both at the same time. So both at the same time means, suppose I am having A by B is equal to C by D. In this situation, A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Okay, you can try by taking any numbers, any ratio, but see that the basic condition should be satisfied, that is A by B should be equal to C by D. Then only this, all this invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, all componendo, dividendo, all these things can be applied easily. Okay, and another thing which you can remember, another relation, suppose A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, so it applies PA plus QB upon RA plus SB is equal to PC plus QD upon RC plus SD. Okay, now you will be asking, what do you mean by P, Q, R, S? They are nothing but P, Q, R, S, all are real numbers, such that PA plus QB is not equal to 0, and same way RC plus SD not equal to 0. Okay, so just remember all these relations and it will be very easy for you in exam. Okay, thank you very much.